When you first install the YouTube app on your phone, it defaults to automatically playing the first video that it displays in the app. And I find that annoying because if I want to play it, I play it myself. And presumably because you're here watching this video, you find it annoying too, and you want to turn it off. So let's see how to do that. So we'll launch our YouTube app. And obviously you can see that the videos are playing automatically in my app here. So what we're going to do is we're going to scroll all the way to the top and we're going to click our little profile icon in the top right corner. Now down the bottom, we're going to choose settings. And let's scroll down just a little bit and we'll find this setting in the middle here for muted playback in feeds. So you can see that it is defaulting to always on. So let's select that. And in this menu, we've got three options: always on, which is the default. We don't want that. Wi-Fi only, so it won't autoplay videos on cellular to save your data, but they'll still autoplay on Wi-Fi. And of course, off. So we want to stop playing these automatic videos, so we're going to choose off. And that's it. No more automatically playing videos. You're welcome. Oh, and if you're an Android user, it's a very similar process. You'll find the option hidden under Settings, General, and Mute Playback in Feeds. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and do come back for more videos. Have a great day.